Welcome back to Thek Unlimited, where tech hacks actually work. Ever wished you could control your PC from across the room using just your phone? Maybe you're settled on the couch for a movie, or in the middle of a presentation. Today's hack turns your smartphone into a powerful, all-in-one wireless remote for your computer. And it's easier than you think. The best part? No cables, no expensive gear. Just a smart setup using free tools. It's a total game changer. If that sounds good, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. We drop new hacks like this all the time, and you don't want to miss out. While remote desktop tools exist, they can be clunky or costly. This method is different. Using your home Wi-Fi, your phone becomes a seamless mouse and keyboard. But it doesn't stop there. You can use it as a dedicated media controller for Netflix or YouTube, or even as a file manager to grab files from your PC. It's incredibly versatile and we'll get it all set up in minutes. Step 1. Install a free remote control app. We'll highlight 3 great options. Unified Remote is a powerhouse with tons of custom remotes, supporting all major platforms. Remote Mouse is known for its simple, user-friendly interface, perfect for beginners. And for Linux users, KDE Connect is a fantastic open-source option for Android that offers deep integration. Step 2. Set up your PC. Next, install the small server application on your computer from the app's official website. This is a crucial security step. During installation, your firewall might ask for permission. Allow it on your private network. Most importantly, ensure both your computer and phone are on the exact same Wi-Fi network. This is how they communicate. Step 3. Pair your phone. Now, open the app on your phone. It will automatically scan your network and should detect your PC within seconds. Tap your computer's name to connect. If it doesn't show up, a quick double check of your Wi-Fi and that the server app is running usually fixes it. Once connected, you're ready to take control. Your phone's screen is now a wireless trackpad and keyboard. Scroll, click, and type to your computer from anywhere, but be sure to explore the other remotes. Use presentation mode to confidently advance slides. Switch to media mode to pause your movie or adjust volume from the couch. You can even use the file manager to transfer a document to your phone. Some apps also support Wake on LAN, letting you turn on your PC remotely, though this may require a quick one-time BIOS setting change. This all works over Wi-Fi, making it incredibly fast and responsive, with none of the lag or pairing issues from Bluetooth. It's perfect for creators, students, and anyone who wants a more convenient, flexible setup. It truly puts control at your fingertips. Try this out and let me know what you think. Drop a comment below and tell us, what did you control with your phone today? And there you have it, a simple way to control your PC from anywhere. If you want more game-changing tech hacks that actually work, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for Thek Unlimited. We're dedicated to finding the best tips to simplify your digital life, saving you time and frustration every single day. You won't want to miss tomorrow's episode. We're diving deep into your phone's settings to uncover a single hidden toggle that can dramatically boost your battery life. It's a game changer you probably never knew existed, and it takes just seconds to activate. Until then, stay wireless, stay in control. This is tech hacks that actually work.